I am going to turn it over to Darian Harris at Sutter.
Thank you so much, Roseanne, and really appreciate the opportunity to be here with you all. I'm going to share a few slides providing a quick introduction to who we are at Sutter Health, certainly here at Mills-Peninsula Medical Center. But I'm actually going to kick us off with a bit of a personal introduction. Now, I don't have any Pittsburgh Steelers references, so I'll go ahead and give you a hint. It's not me as far as the fan, but did grow up playing college football. I'm from the Southeast originally, both parents, Air Force, 20 plus years. Do love golf. You can see my little mini-me carrying his clubs. We love getting outside, traveling. And I'm married to an amazing nurse practitioner and director of palliative care here in California. So just a little bit about me. Worked all four corners of the country, amazing institutions, some of which I'm a Kaiser alumni myself, but worked at Mass General in the Pacific Northwest and brought me here to Sutter Health. And it's really an exciting and transformative time, and hope to share a little bit more about why. So quick Sutter Health at a glance. We have more than 60,000 employees across broader Northern California, Southern California, and we serve over 3.6 million patients and across our geographies. To give you a little context, that's about 1 in every 100 Americans get served by Sutter Health here in our geography, and over 12,000 incredible clinicians and physicians dedicated to expanding care each and every day. We also provide the full integrated spectrum of care delivery, also representing the 12th largest home health and hospice company in the country as well. And one of the things we were talking about certainly before is just the unique environment we're in here in San Mateo County with such amazing educational institutions like various GME programs or graduate medical education programs, both at UCSF, Stanford, and certainly here at Sutter Health. And we're aiming over the next several years to have more than 1,000 graduates from our residency programs here in Northern California. One of the things we also, I'd mentioned was providing the full spectrum of care, from virtual care, over 1.2 million virtual appointments, to outpatient services, so where you're going into the clinic to receive your care, to over almost a million emergency department visits, inpatient stays, the full spectrum of care across the continuum. We also support and have a health plan internal to Sutter Health. So we're really thinking about the wraparound care throughout every need you might have in your healthcare journey. And at Sutter Health, we've been supporting the community in Northern California for more than 170 years. And I'm going to zoom in a bit, particularly on our impact from Mills-Peninsula Medical Center standpoint here in San Mateo County. So we've been supporting our San Mateo County residents for over 100 years, actually established by Elizabeth Mills Reed, who is a local philanthropist who actually got us started providing incredible care to the community. Really proud of that care. We have nearly 800,000 or so residents in San Mateo County, and we provide upwards of 350,000 outpatient visits, 14,000 patients stay with us on an annual basis. And so we continue to grow, focus on expanding access, but really built on a foundation of quality. And we're very proud, certainly, of the external recognitions, to include Healthgrade's Triple Crown, only hospital in California to be top 50, outstanding patient experience and patient safety and excellence. But more than that, our goal is to make sure that our community has peace of mind that they have access to the best care. And I think between the panel here, you certainly do. And so excited to be here. Roseanne had mentioned some of the headwinds and opportunities as we think to the future, and just want to lay out a couple of those here as we think about organizations in the future. Patient experience optimization, leading with digital and AI and technology, focusing on being the best employer, expanding our reach and economies of scale, and ultimately building for resilience. And so that's us certainly here at Sutter Health and here at Mills-Peninsula Medical Center. So excited to be here with you and looking forward to the discussion.